I'm going to talk about Looker ML guides for beginner, those who want to learn about Looker for data visualization tool. So I'm going through how to learn. So what is Looker ML? Looker ML is also known as Looker ML, and language used to define data model within the lookers of the Google Cloud. It allows you to save your data from your databases. Databases can be anything like Trino, Databricks, Hive, and MySQL into user-friendly format for explore and analysis of the data. So basically, it converts your user-friendly data from databases. So here is the steps which we can steps where you can find how we can effectively manage your learn looker. So first is example learning with looker ML. Start with the basic. So when you starting with the new things, you start with the basic. While some of SQL knowledge is really helpful, it's if you know the SQLs, how the SQL work, then you also getting to know this one. Looker environment, you can go here. It's a looker docs and on the Googles, and I'm not going much details, so but you can go through this one. It's not able to open, but you can go. You guys can go. Yeah. So yeah. So this is the looker. This is very good documentation. I'm also reading this documentation and learning. So here is the example and lookers. Very deep knowledge, and you go through it. Sir. And offering the interactive tutorial and code sample. The free course getting started with the looker ML. So this one also you can go and Google getting started with the looker ML. So here you can see on the Google there are a lot of courses, and you can learn about lookers, what is the model, what is view, what is the dashboards. Focus on looker ML fundamental, understand the key concept like explorer, dimension, measures, and the filter. This is very important. And also looker documentation provide the comprehensive guides, and then also you can go through, and this would be here is a similar which previously I did, but here we have a lot of personalized looker, yeah, various things. And practice make perfect, as you know, as a science student I also say like practice makes the perfect. So practice what I say is practice. Yeah. Experiment with the looker learning environment, code simple, and try to building the simple model to solidify your understanding. Explore the advanced topics. Once you're comfortable with the basics, go with the derived tables. So how derived table work in Looker, and tempered filters and advanced feature in complex data manipulation. And then you go look at documentation offering the depth exploration explanations about introduction parts, and then managing looker models. Then also you need to go with version control, utilize like git and track changes your local ML model. This allow you to easy to roll back and collaboration. Documentation, document your model, clarify, explain the proposed logic and assumptions. This improves the maintainability, understanding for future reference. Testing is also important part. So implement the testing strategy, ensure the model is produce the accurate result. Explore looker built-in testing capability. Best practices for follow the looker recommendation practice. Model design. This will ensure the efficiency and data retrieval, avoid redundancy, and promote maintainability. Additionally, resource for learning course, consider enroll online course, attending workshop, gain deeper knowledge and practice. And community looker has a vibrant community, so also join the Slack channel, uh, which help to answer your query. You if you have doubts, and also please follow with me. Thank you for liking.